Flower seeds make me think of spring, but if it's too cold to plant them, you can always make paper with them. This is also a great recycling project. Gather your junk mail and paper scraps. You don't want to use the cellophane windows in some of the envelopes, so throw those away. Now rip your paper into small pieces and put them into a bowl. Add enough water to cover the paper. Make sure all the paper is wet and allow it to soak at least 8 hours. You'll need a blender for this project, preferably one you don't use with food. Fill the blender 2/3 of the way to the top with your soggy paper and add some water. Blend it until the paper looks like oatmeal. Place a 13.5 by 8 inch pan on your work surface. You'll also need a window screen. Place the screen on top of the pan and place a layer of the blended paper onto the screen. Place a piece of wax paper over the blended paper and using a rolling pin, gently press the water out of the blended paper. Continue to squeeze out as much water as you can. Now lay a thick towel onto your work surface and place the blended paper onto the towel. Cover with a thinner towel and press more of the water out of it. Sprinkle your seeds evenly onto the blended paper, adding a small bit of water so that they adhere. You can again cover with a thin towel and press the seeds into the paper with the rolling pin. Carefully move the paper onto the screen to dry. If you want plain white seed paper, you can soak a roll of bath tissue, removing the cardboard roll first. Blend half of the soaked roll, adding water as needed. I also added a bit of glitter for some fun. Once the paper is dry, you can cut it into strips to make bookmarks. You can cut them into shapes to use as wedding or party favors. You can even use them as gift tags. Then just remove the tag from the gift and plant it. It's 2 gifts in one. I hope this inspires you to whip up some seed paper that can be used in so many ways.